Hello everyone, today we will talk about top 5 defense hardware which is completely developed by Made in India technology. Before starting the video, please subscribe my channel. Number 1 is INS Vikrant. INS Vikrant is a Made in India aircraft carrier made by Cochin Shipyard Limited. INS Vikrant, also known as Indigenous Aircraft Carrier, shortly IAC-1. It named after a tribute to India's first aircraft carrier, Vikrant.
I would say Vikrant was a unique ship, and even though today we have bigger and more sophisticated ships, I think there will never be another Vikrant.
It cost around more than $5 billion, and with the upcoming aircraft for Vikrant is around $3 to $4 billion more. By indigenously building Vikrant, India finally joined the elite club of countries in the world who can make their own aircraft carrier. After USA, UK, France, Russia, China and Italy, India is the 7th country in the world which have this capability. Our second in the list is Ariane class nuclear submarine. The Ariane class is a class of Indian nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarine built for Indian Navy. Ariane class is a Made in India submarine made by Navy Shipbuilding Center, Visakhapatnam. There are total 4 submarines will be made in first batch under Ariane class, which cost around $12 billion. 2 of its class submarines are already handed over to Indian Navy, named as Arihant and Arihant submarine. 2 of its class submarines are in working stage, whose displacement weight one is 7,000 ton, which is S4, and S5 is the next generation 13,000 ton monster, which will make India one of the world's biggest nuclear submarine operator. Third in our list is anti-satellite weapon, ASAT Shakti. On 27 March 2019, India shocked the entire world by testing anti-satellite weapon, shortly named as Mission Shakti. Shakti is an India's indigenously developed anti-satellite weapon which destroyed a satellite in the lower Earth orbit. The organization which developed this technology is known as DRDO. After this successful test, India became the 4th country in the world after USA, Russia and China to have these capabilities. This test was conducted around 300 km above Earth. As per DRDO, the missile was capable of shooting its target at 10 km per second speed at an altitude of 1200 km in outer space. After that, Indian government issued an Indian stamp dedicated to ASAT test. Fourth in our list is HAL Tejas fighter jet. Tejas is an Indian multi-role fighter jet designed and developed by Hindustan Aeronautics Limited. Tejas is a multi-role jet which are going to replace India's jet fleet of MiG-21, which is becoming old now. There are different variants of Tejas is made. For example, Tejas Mark 1, Tejas Mark 1A, Tejas Mark 2 and a trainer variant. HAL also working on a naval variant of Tejas for Indian Navy. But for now, Tejas Mk1 operated by Indian Air Force and Tejas Mk1A variant is already ordered in a number of 83 last year, which will received by Air Force in coming years. HAL also working on Tejas Mark II, which prototype is ready and first flight will be take place in 2022 this year or the next year. Our number 5th is Arjun tank. The Arjun tank is a 3rd generation main battle tank developed by Combat Vehicle Research and Development Organization India. The tank is named after Arjun, the archer prince, who is the main character of Indian epic Mahabharata. There are different variants of Arjun tank is built, like Arjun Mark 1, Arjun Mark 1A and Arjun Mark 2. Arjun Mark 1 and Arjun Mark 1A is already used by Indian Armed Forces and Mark II is under development stage. If we talk about its main features, the Arjun tanks stand out for their fin stabilized armor plating and 120mm new generation caliber gun. It also has computer control integrated fire control system and a lighting system which make the tank capable to fight at night. The tank is also equipped with 12.8mm anti-aircraft gun and an automated early warning system for anti-tank rockets. That is for today, guys. Let us know about what you think about this video. Thanks for watching.